write down. Today again we'll learn about sound. What is sound? Awaz, sound, right? When you speak, the sound comes. Same way, all the letters, they make special sound. Like B. B, what sound does it make? Ba. Shabash, very good. Then C, Ka, D, Da. Like this, all the letters, they make sound. Now today we will learn more about it. Okay. E-N. What does it sound? N. N. Say loudly N. Chota N. 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 Okay. So now, if you add H to it, what will it become? Ha, N. Hen. Ha, N. Hen. Okay. Then, if you add D, Da, N. Den. Shabash. Very good. Den. T. What does T say? Ta. T. Ta. Ta and ten. Very good. What does M say? Ma. Ma and men. P. Pa. P. What does P say? Pa. Pa and pen. Okay. Right? So read this again. Hen, den, ten, men. Man means men. E sounds e. Okay, e. So men. Pen. Okay. So now second is et, et. Okay. What does P say? Pa. Pa et, pet. Shabash. Pet. Ma et, met. Net. Na et, net. Shabash. G. What does G say? Ga. 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 Ga et, get. Sa. Sa et, set. Okay, so read again. Pet, net, met, net, get, set. Okay, very good. Now we will take E-G, egg. Egg. What does E say? Egg. Egg. So now L. La, egg, leg. Shabash. Ba, egg, beg. Pa, egg, peg. And if we add another G to it, egg, egg. Read it. Peg, leg, beg, egg. Okay. Then we'll take ED, ed. What is this? Ed. E-N, N, N. E-T, et, et. E-G, egg. E-D, ed. Now B, ba, ba and bed. R. Ra, ed, red. Fa. Fa, ed, fed. La. La, ed, led. Okay, so we'll read again. Read. Bed, led, fed, red. Okay, so now what are these words? These words are making sound, and we are reading them according to the sound which they make. Okay, now we'll play a game, right? So now I have, acha, first read this. Make words, letters. Very good. What have you understood? This is a game, but how are you going to play it? हाँ, कैसे? क्या करोगे इसमें? What will you do? नहीं, read. Make means, make मतलब you make, हाँ, नहीं, that is me. Make. Now what? Mummy makes chapati. Very good. Banana. Okay. Word. Shabd. Very good. From. Say. The given means give. Yes. Now what am I doing? I am giving. Huh? Nahi. Dena. Yes. Dena is give. Take is dena. Okay. Give. Take. So given letters. So what do you have to do in this? Make word, yani shabd banao from the given letters. From these letters. There are so many letters given here. You have to make words. Shabd, naye shabd banane. Okay? Right? Okay. So now who will come? Let's make 5 words. Okay? Who will come and make? Yes, come. Just use this colored chalk and first underline the letters which you will use. First tell me which word will you make. Yes. H, okay. H, then E, okay, very good. N, very good, right there. Clap for her. With this, beta, with this. Yes, right. Use the duster. Shabash. Now what does hen mean? Murgi. What does murgi say? Sound. No, what does it say? Sound. Hen? No. Yes, what does it say? Kukuruku. Yes. And what does it give? What does it give? Egg. Very good. Okay, so now one more. Okay, come. Think. Everyone think of the new words. Okay? And if you have found, then raise your hand. Quickly. Can you make something with B? Can you make a word with B? Okay, fine. Take another color. Take one more color. Different color. Yes. Okay. Shabash, hurry up. Who can make? चलो कोई बात नहीं चलो come quickly you said you have found the word. Quickly make. Hurry up जल्दी Okay, B. Yes, very good. B, then what else? Quickly. अच्छा चलो, she has underlined B. चलो कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा come. Now make word with B only. Now she has underlined it. हाँ, इसी से B से. Any word? Yes, B-A, shabash. T, very good. Write the word with this. Yes, very good. Now first tell what does bat mean? Balla. All of you, show bat. Come on. I'm throwing the ball. Okay, come here. I'm throwing the ball and she will use her bat. Okay, that was bat. Okay, very good. Now, Acha, come. Do you know any word? Acha, come. Quickly. Fast. Jaldi. Don't put it. Chalo. Go. P, okay, P, E again, okay, no problem. Make another line under it. Make another line. Yes, E, P-E-N. Very good. Now write. What does pen mean? Kalam. All of you write. What do you do with pen? You play with pen? What do you do? Likra. You write. All of you write. Show how do you write with the pen. Okay, very good. Clap for her. Okay, very good. Then Acha, come. Quickly do it. M, okay, M-A-N. Very good. Write. What word is this? Man. Write, shabash. Let her write. Wait, let her write. Okay. M-A-N? Man. What does man mean? One. Ek aadmi. One man. Many? Men. M-E-N. One. M-A-N. Many? M-E-N. Say man. All of you say man. One man. Many men. Right. Okay. Acha, yes, from the back, come. Shabash. L, okay. A. L-A-R-N. What does this mean? नहीं, वो तो एक और. There is this L-A-R? See, L, you have underlined you have underlined L-A-R-N. Is this the spelling of learn? What? हाँ, शाबाश, come and correct it. Very good, come. कोई बात. But what does learn mean? नहीं, read means याद करना या सीखना भी. Okay, सीखना. चलो, now correct this spelling. First underline the word there. Go, beta, go. Take the colored crayon. L, she is, yes, L. Okay. Yes, shabash. E-A-R-N. Very good. So write correctly here. Learn. Shabash. Now we'll do a poem. Okay? Chalo. Clap for her. एक मिनट बेटा, अपने आगे लगाओ. आप अपने आगे लगाओ. एक मिनट बेटा ऐसे गंदी बात. और कैसे करोगी इसको? ऐसे करो. अभी और भी बाकी लोग करेंगे. ये लो, ऐसे लगाओ. अपने आगे लगाओ. वहाँ ऐसे लगाओ. कैसे लगाओगी? उल्टी क्या? चलो अभी, चलो. और अभी वहाँ खड़े रहो. मैं बुलाऊंगी. I'll call you. सीधा लगा के खड़े हो जाओ. Now, she is Sam. Okay, let's make her as a boy. Okay, and her name is Sam. Say, my name is Sam.
My name is
Sam. I'm a boy.
I am a boy.
Okay, now see. Now Sam has a pet. What does pet mean? Very good. पालतू क्या? जानवर. Any animal. Okay. पालतू जानवर. Pet. So Sam, read first line. Come, stand here. Stand here. Yes. Read. Sam has a pet. So he is Sam. Sam has a pet. Okay. Then stand up. What is this? It's not a rat. Okay. Again say. Sam has a pet. Sam. It's not a rat. Okay. And now, what is this? Cat. It is not a cat. Again. Sam has a pet. It is not a rat. It is not a cat. What is this? Pig. It is not a pig. Understand? What is this? Bug. Kira. Bug. It is not a bug. Again. Sam has a pet. It is not a rat. It is not a cat. It is not a pig. It is not a bug. It is a... What is that? It is a dog. The dog is Bon. What is the name of the dog? Bon. What is the name of the dog? Now say Bo. My name is Bon. Okay. Now, can the dog run? Can the dog run? Yes. Now run. Bon can run. Take a round and come back. Bon can run. Okay, come back. And keeps barking. Bo. Okay. Cat. Can the cat run? Chalo, cat run. Take a round. The cat can run. Meow. Yes. Shabash. Okay. Now rat. The cat can run. The rat. Can the rat run? Okay, run. Choo. Okay. The rat can run. Keep saying choo. Okay. Run, rat, run. Say run, rat, run. The rat is in the... Acha, what is this? Tin. What is this? Tin. The rat is in the tin. Come. The rat is in the tin. The rat is in the tin. Okay, come out. Let's say it again. Shabash. Now, Sam has a pet. It is not a rat. Sorry. Rat, come here. Sorry. It is not a rat. It is not a cat. It is not a pig. It is not a bug. It is a dog. The dog is Bon. Bon. Just take a small second. The Bon can run. Bas. The Bon can run. Say the Bon can run. Dani, Bon can run. Show. The cat can run. Stand and run. Show running. On your place only. Show running. Yes, the cat can run. Remain standing and keep running. The rat can run. Run, rat, run. The rat is in the tin. Come. The rat is in the tin. Come. The rat is in the tin. Okay, sit. The rat is in the tin. Okay, very good. Clap for them. Chalo, go back to your place. Go back to your place. Now I'll show you some pictures. Sit with me. I'll show you some pictures and you will tell me. Leave it, beta. Koi baat nahi. Sit with this only. Sit. Now what is this? What is this? Sit down, beta. What is this? Bed. And what are these? Boys. Men. 2 boys. Okay, boys. Now, what are they doing in the bed? What are they doing? नहीं, वे क्या कर रहे हैं? What are they doing? No, are they sleeping? No. अच्छा, अंग्रेजी, yeah, they are sitting. Okay, the 2 boys sat in the bed. 2 boys sat in the bed. The what is this? Hen. What is the color of the hen? Red. And what is this? Net. Where is the hen? In the net. The rat is in the tin. The hen is in the net. So a red hen is in the net. Okay. Now who is he? Man. Okay. And what is this? Hen. And what is the man doing? Feeding. खिला रहा है. Okay. A man fed the hen. Okay. So now your homework is on page 21. There are some fill in the blanks. You will fill those. Okay. Thank you, children.